Hello, in this video, we're going to be tracking an upcoming weather pattern that will take place in parts of central country that will bring severe weather for parts of the central U.S. and in the southeast U.S., including damaging winds, large hail, and even a few tornadoes. So if y'all join these videos I'll be doing on my channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss no uploads. So let's get right into the video. So right now, we're tracking an upcoming severe weather event that will take place, but right now, not much going on right now, but things getting ready to change significantly. So let's get right into the video. So right now we have coastal storm, atmosphere weather, not atmosphere weather, a storm that's happening right now in parts of the Pacific Northwest, including California, that's bringing some showers and storms and probably some flooding in parts of California and Nevada. And also we got a little storm system up here that's bringing some cloud cover, some showers and storms. Besides that, everywhere else looks pretty quiet. Not much going on anywhere else. But that's getting ready to change significantly. And also a potential heat wave, an October heat wave that could come between late October, possibly not a cold front. That could come between late October. So let's get right into this video. So right now, let's show us the storm and Dixon because we do got this. We have a sighting risk of severe weather for parts of, pull this up. We have a sighting risk of severe weather for parts of Arkansas, western Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, northeast Texas, northern Louisiana, and majority of the whole state of Oklahoma. Not Oklahoma, but eastern Oklahoma, and majority of the state of Missouri, and Indiana, and Illinois. So you're in the guns to be aware of parts of these parts of sighting in the sighting risk, and this is out for day 5. And possibly, I don't know if it's gonna be day 6 to be well, but the probability right now is too low. So too early to say if it's gonna be a day 6, but they are talking about putting out a day 6 to real wet. It's possible on day 6, but the convection is it could be going through Sunday morning through Sunday afternoon. So what's gonna cause this? The severe weather? Dangerous trough that's gonna jet from the west. It's gonna that's gonna pull out. That's gonna have a dip in injection. So here comes the trough, guys. It's gonna dip down. You can see here comes the trough right now. Dip it down. You start by the dip it down. And look at this. Here comes the dip in the jet stream, which is what's gonna bring us severe weather. See this right here. When this specific jet stream, what's gonna bring us severe weather. And look at this. Pretty strong trough. Not as strong as a trough, not as strong as negativity, but still it's showing up. You got anywhere from 100 to 115 knots, so it is a decent strong trough. So not to be ruled out, but this trough will bring us with upper level winds are going to be pretty strong with this upcoming trough. But it will be pulling a lot of Gulf moisture, out of that Gulf of Mexico. Warm air and dry air is gonna be up warm air and moist air is gonna be up as warm and dry air, and that's what's gonna cause severe weather. And the trough moves far towards the east, possibly on Sunday, a little bit weaker but still pretty strong, and possibly going negative tilted. And along with that, possibly some more cold fronts. Another trough might dip down right to the southern U.S. and possibly another one, like an upper little might start dipping down. And possibly more charts. So a very active weather party is coming, guys. Now let's get right into the moisture, how much moisture can be in the atmosphere, because the dew points are going to be very high to support this severe event. So by the time getting towards the 14th or 15th, guys, you see not much dew points, but the day the severe event runs, which is the 18th and 19th, guys, you see a lot of this Gulf moisture is getting pulled out of Gulf of Mexico, and that's meaning with all this all this cold and dry air. When that happens, that's gonna cause a severe weather, and that's what we see right here on this on this dew point map, and utilizing all the way towards Sunday afternoon, getting the high dew points in the lower mid 60s. And that system is out of here. And possibly another system after that too. A lot more shit gets put out. They got with that system. So now let's get right in towards our Cape. By how much energy is gonna be in the atmosphere to support a storm. So there's gonna be a whole lot of energy for this, but the majority of the energy, guys, seems to be locked in towards Louisiana, Eastern Texas, and parts of Arkansas and Mississippi. Not as much of parts of Indiana and Indiana and Illinois, and even parts of West Tennessee and Missouri, but still a decent amount enough to support severe weather. So the storm Cape moves far towards the east on Sunday, bringing possible potential severe weather parts of the Carolinas on this day. So please be aware of that. In Georgia too, in Florida. Now let's get into a lightning flash rate, how much lightning could be with these storms. So look at our lightning flash rate, you can see a lightning flash rate gonna be pretty up there. You can see we got lightning, decent amount of lightning is gonna be with this storm. Here it comes around 5 p.m. You can see a lot of lightning with these storms coming through, and by the time you get towards the night, early morning hours on Sunday, possibly some showers and storms, and later Sunday afternoon to Sunday evening, some storm showers and storms can fire up for the Carolinas before moving out to shore. Now let's get into all our activities because we got activities going up and down right now. We got a cold front coming, and after that cold front, things will warm right back up. Then another cold front coming, so the weather patterns will be pretty active. So looking at the temperature outlook, guys, you can see right now we got some very warm temperatures where this cold front comes through. It's gonna cool things down. So temperatures right now is gonna be in the upper to mid 80s parts of the southeast, pretty cold for parts of the west. Then when that cold front makes its way through there, it's gonna cool things down significantly, and there we good to go. We got temperatures in the upper to mid 50s, mid to upper 50s of parts of the Carolinas, parts of the southeast, from Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, even the upper Ohio Valley and Ohio Valley, getting some severe well. And that's to be aware with some cool temperatures, and that's it, guys. And we got another cold front coming around the 22nd. That's gonna cool things down, majority of the whole U.S. except southern Texas. And gonna get this cold blast. I mean, look at these temperatures up towards when it's southern. You got temperatures in the upper to mid 30s. I mean, it's definitely feel like fall up there. Actually, in some places, it's feeling like winter in those mountains. We got temperatures in the 20s. Then by the time we get into towards the latter part of next week, latter part of 2 weeks, seem like things are gonna be warm right back up again. Just for a little while, but look at this, but not too long, but until that cold front comes through. So waking up with temperatures in upper to mid 60s again. When things bound in Florida, guys, just going to be feeling like summertime down towards Texas, still feeling like summertime. Because of that, guys, you got temperature anomalies for that day. You can see it's gonna be above average. It'll be temperatures in the 60s in the mornings of this time of year is pretty well. That's like more like summertime, but so that's why we got a huge big blob of about average temperatures prior to the central U.S. and Ohio Valley. But that's not gonna last long. When the first cold front comes through, it's gonna bring some blowouts to parts of the southeast. That silent storm system and the silent cold front comes through, bring a little bit slightly below precipitation, not precipitation, but temperatures, and next cold front behind it got a big blob of near normal to slightly below normal. But back towards the west, this is the weather pattern gonna be for late October. Back towards the west, gonna be cooler than normal, especially on those higher mountains. We'll be seeing those below average anomalies on the eastern U.S. and on the central U.S. and southeast gonna see above average temperatures. Now, what's gonna cause weather patterns? So first of all, guys, looking at storm system number one. Storm system number one comes down, bring out severe weather parts of the southeast. Then we have storm system number two coming around the early 20s of October. And storm system number three, that's gonna dip down, which is gonna bring up a little low towards the Carolinas. And after that, we could be in this type of weather pattern with the southern U.S. or the eastern U.S. and central U.S. gonna be cooler. And my eastern U.S. gonna be, warmer, while the western U.S. is gonna be cooler. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.